couple of things here. Now that the door is off, and as you can see with the door card completely off, we've got our Bowden cable right here, which I was trying to describe. This is what is your door pull. You've got your door lighting, any of your speakers, your door switches, all of those things are unplugged. Now, here's where you actually get an extra benefit from replacing your vapor barrier while we're here. Now, your vapor barrier is intended to keep water from the outside from getting to the inside that can leak through your doors and into your cabin. And there definitely are some models that can be a major issue. But if you've got an older one, this can get brittle. But also in this case, as you can see, it's peeling away. And it's also kind of, and down here, which I never realized in this car, it's torn. So I'm actually lucky in this case. I don't have a water leak in this door. So what we're going to do is we're going to very carefully take the vapor barrier off intact, because we're going to use it as a template to cut the new one. Now in this particular case, we're going to match like for like, where where the Bowden cable comes through, where this clip comes through. We're going to make the same inserts so those can come through when we install the new one. But what we really want to do is get this off and in one solid piece. Now, you have all this butyl tape that goes around the outside. You can always use a heat gun to heat it up a little bit, but I actually find when you're cutting it off, it's actually a little bit easier to work with when it's cold. You're gonna wanna take a sharp X-Acto knife and just work your way through and cut as much of the butyl tape as you can to keep this intact. Now I've got this big split, so I'm gonna have this extra piece here, but I wanna get it off as intact as possible because this is going to be my template when I replace it.